Oh my God, that's spicy. Well, what's up, you guys? Sunday means another upload. I hope you had a good weekend. I personally had a good weekend. Well, I didn't because it's Thursday and I'm currently filming this, but I hope you had a good weekend. But yeah, today's video is part 2 of the Supra shoot. So in part 1, if you haven't seen it, reflector instead of pixel stick, I'm gonna put it under the car. Like this, and then you literally just fire this when it's on, and hopefully this will work. Oh my God. And it should focus.
Yeah, it's getting there. No, never mind.
Yeah. All right, go watch that, come back here, or watch this, then go watch that. It's up to you. But yeah, part 1 was me shooting the Supra with my guy Andy from Toyota UK. We headed up to MK, did some bits, shot for like 3-4 hours. It was long, but it was a funny one. But yeah, in this part, I'm gonna show you the editing side of it. A little bit different to the normal edits that I do, where it's just a screen recording, blah, blah, blah. It's gonna be a bit different because I watch those screen recordings and I get bored. So I'm thinking in your shoes. So I'm gonna put a camera up ahead over the desk so you can see what I'm doing with the Wacom and everything to get a cool view of it. I might put another time lapse of up on that tripod as well. Just make it a little bit more in depth so you can actually see what's going on. But yeah, other than that, enjoy the video. Have a good Sunday, and I'll see you next Sunday, because that's what we do. Yeah. See you guys next Sunday. Remember, kids, always line your images up before you start pathing them, because it really sucks when you're nearly finishing a path and they're not lined up. Why? Why have I done this? Alright, back to it. with this montage of photos that you're about to see, but yeah. Enjoy.